I'm Peter Brett from TOOLKiT magazine, and today we're going to be looking at the Draper D20 20-volt brushless circular saw. This is part of a range of other Draper D20 tools, so we'll have a look at a couple of those later on. Open up the box, the smart charger, nicely packaged at random, side fence, the battery packaged ready so that it can be transported, the all-important instructions, and finally the saw itself. Right, let's have a quick look at some of the features of the saw. Interestingly, it's got very good blade guarding, which you would expect, and I like this particular feature where you're able to raise the oscillating guard, but it keeps your fingers well away from anywhere that might be dangerous. Good dust extraction with standard port, so that'll take away quite a lot of the dust, the majority of the dust in fact. What I do like is the fact that you get, for most adjustments, you get toolless changing, and actually when I check this little quadrant here with my protractor, it is actually quite accurate. It's not entirely 100% reliable, but then you hardly will be expecting a handheld circular saw to have that kind of accuracy. Again here, single adjustment for depth of cut, and you also have a key here for other adjustments. If you want to change blade, you've got the spindle lock. If you want to change blades, you have the spindle lock down here so that you can get the Allen key out to undo that for the blade changing. Nice solid alloy cast base, which again I think is an absolute necessity on a half decent saw. The handling of it is quite interesting because I actually prefer the blade on the right hand side of the handle, but on this one the blade is on the left. Neither here nor there really. I just think that I can follow a guide, follow the cut quicker and more easily on my right hand side, but that is just my right hand bias. The other thing is, of course, is you can use this side of the blade running up against a straight edge, which might make your life a lot easier as well. Getting on and off, you have to press the lock switch either to the left or to the right, so you can suit left or right handers. And if I quickly get this out, it's not that big. As you can see, it's very positive to get in, very easy to get out. Solve the problem. Noise levels. Right, and a brake on the blade, very handy. So I always find it very useful. Right, now I cut 32mm oak with this, no problem at all. Two-inch thick softwood, no problem at all. A nice little bit of kit really. As a quick summary, let's have a look at this. It's part of the D20 system, so there are several other D20 tools that are all interchangeable batteries. It's a complete kit, it's ready to go. So you don't have to start buying extras when you go and buy this kit. It comes ready to go. You have battery options. It's supplied with a 3 amp hour, but Draper does do a 5 amp hour as well. Very easy to adjust without any tools, and the reason why it's such an efficient cutter is the fact that it's got a brushless motor. In common with a lot of tools these days, brushless is the way to go for extra power, slimline bodies, and a general long-lasting battery. So all in all, a winner to be brushless. Thank you very much. If you've ever had some experience with these? Let us know. We want to know what you think.